Bam! Ow. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video by Dalton and Caitlin. My name is Dalton and today I thought it would be a great idea to share 50 facts about me. We're gonna start a little easy with some basic facts, maybe get into some weirder things that you probably didn't know. Let's get started. I am 24 years old, and my birthday is February 11th, 1995, which makes me an Aquarius. I am 6'1" and 180 pounds. I currently live in Vancouver, British Columbia. I am originally from Belleville, Ontario, Canada, where I was born and raised. I am a proud gay male, but not only that, I am a gold star gay, which means that I've never had full-on sex with a woman.
Woo! Yeah, no women!
No women. I am currently single. I attended the Vancouver Film School when I moved here. It was a year-long program and I did the acting for film and television. I own a bright red Dodge Avenger 2009 and his name is Stark. If you do not name your first car, you are boring. You should do that because it's fun. My favorite breed of dogs are Huskies, and I have owned 3 dogs in my childhood. First one was Cisco, a Siberian Husky. Then we had Ransom, a Golden Retriever, and we currently have Jax, a Golden Retriever. Well, I'm an idiot. He's definitely an Australian Shepherd, not a Golden Retriever. My bad. They were all so cute. If I had to eat the same meal every day for the rest of my life and I couldn't eat anything else, it would have to be burger and fries. I'm not a really big sweets person, but I will murder for a good cinnamon bun and ice cream. You think I'm kidding, but I'm not. Well, my camera went out of focus, so that's super irritating. If you've noticed any changes, I've tried to keep the same shirt, same hair. Man, let's do this again. My middle name is Ford, not after the car dealership, but after my grandfather, so my dad's dad, Percy Ford Brownson. Also fun fact, thinking about changing my stage name, my actor's name, to Dalton Ford instead of Dalton Brownson, because I feel like Ford has a good punch to it, so let me know what you think. My favorite Disney film is Hercules. Obviously. This was actually a gift from my roommates for Christmas, and I've never gotten so many compliments on a t-shirt ever in my entire life. My favorite dramas, TV dramas, are Game of Thrones and Shameless. My favorite comedy series is Parks and Recreations because Amy Poehler is a genius. I am a huge fan of RuPaul's Drag Race. My favorite queen has got to be Sasha Velour because let's be honest, what other queen is there? My favorite video game series is Kingdom Hearts. I get really competitive when it comes to Super Smash Brothers. That is another one of my favorite games. My main character is Lucas, but I could probably beat you with any other character. Come at me. In high school, I was a really big fan of anime. I still am now, but nowadays I really only watch the really popular ones, whereas in high school I'd watch anything and everything. Naruto was my favorite in high school. I was obsessed with it. Speaking of high school obsessions, I was really obsessed with Mariana's Trench. I just remember just really liking them. I started with Masterpiece Theater, so that was the album that I started liking them for. I used to have the black and blue hair, the iconic Masterpiece Theater hair that Josh Ramsey had. I had the black hair with the blue bangs. I am not a freaking phase.
I am not friggin' phase. Live with it, parents.
On that note, my favorite color is blue. I am a body art virgin. No tattoos, no piercing. I used to be a downhill ski racer until about grade 10, I think? Grade 9 or 10? I am a garbage human being and I watch Big Brother Canada, American Big Brother. It's just a tradition. My favorite time of year is Christmas. I love Christmas for 2 reasons. A, you have an excuse to eat all of the food in the world that you want. B, family. I am really close to my family and it's really hard being across the country away from them and not getting to see them every day. So Christmas is a time that we can all get together and laugh and be merry and have fun. So yeah. Acting has always been my biggest passion. I've never actually wanted to do anything else in my life. Ever since I could remember, that was just always my dream. I was a pretty introverted child. I don't know why, but I just always remember I always had that gut rot or that nervous feeling every time a teacher would get mad or raise her voice. So I never really got in trouble that much. My dad would always hate going to parent-teacher interviews because he would sit at the desk across the teacher. And the teacher would just say, oh, Dalton was great with this, and Dalton does well with that, and Dalton doesn't do anything wrong. And my dad, being my dad, was just like, just tell me something wrong he's done. I think he just hated going there and just hearing all the good things, and which, now that I think of it, is kind of weird. He should be praising me. I was a great child. I can fart with my hands. I lost my virginity to a guy in Sterling. Yeah, so anyways, next question. I can recite the entire Holy Hand Grenade monologue from Monty Python and the Holy Grail. I have my mother's nose. I used to hate it, but now I've learned to love it, and it defines me, and it's who I am. It's my je ne sais quoi. I don't know if that's the proper use of that French term, but both my middle fingers are crooked. I don't know why, they both bend inwards. It's just been like that for a very, very long time. I am a pretty big superhero fan. If I had to pick sides, I'd probably be a bigger DC fan just because I grew up with them. I have been to Africa once with the Midoi Corporation in grade 11. It was the best trip of my life. I have a huge underwear obsession. I have no idea why. If I didn't do laundry, I could probably have underwear enough to last me a month and a half. There's a pair a day. I haven't actually done the official count, but there's a lot. Boxers or briefs, I do prefer briefs. I used to wear boxers all the time in elementary school and up to grade 9 and 12, and I realized they're the most uncomfortable garments that anybody could ever wear on their body. Todd is watching UFC in the background, so. My first official job was at Orange Julius. I've always been told that I look like either Adam Driver or a young Nicolas Cage. I am one of those people that hate the word. End of discussion. My celebrity crush is Colton Haynes because, come on, have you seen him? When it comes to my dating life, which is very prosperous, I do have a few things that I find attractive of people. So my biggest turn-ons are good personality, funny, you gotta make me laugh, have some sort of care for your physical self. You don't need to work out to be super hot, but at least the slightest amount of wanting to be healthy, just be healthy, okay? Be proactive with life. I want you to pursue a goal, because I'm pursuing a goal, and it's really inspiring when I can be with somebody that also is on the same route, God, I feel like I'm giving a plenty of fish profile. My biggest turn-offs are people who are too cocky, people that are arrogant, people that are rude, people that don't have personality. When I work out, I really like listening to emotional music. For some reason, I don't know why, I just doing a nice heavy bench press with Sia's Elastic Heart, in the background. It's just it just really gets me, okay? In the future, and when I declare this, I am saying this in the future. My dream situation would be have 3 kids when or if I find a partner and we settle down and we are eventually planning on having kids, if we do plan it, if. I would love to find a surrogate for myself because I would like to have, a little mini me running around. And if you would like to find a surrogate for himself, for sure. And then I'll just adopt a child because they're so freaking cute. And finally, my favorite alcohol choice would probably be rum and Disaronno. And there you have it. There are 50 random facts about me. Maybe make a checklist for yourself. For the ones you did know, check them off and comment how many of those you already knew about me. If you liked any of specific facts, be sure to comment which ones you want me to elaborate on for future videos, because I will. I will talk about everything about myself. I have no shame. I have no shame. So don't forget to like this video, write a comment, subscribe to us. We are trying to shoot out as much content as possible. I would love the challenge, so let me know. Let me know. Talk to you later. Bye.